Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen Relay. So from any screen, you've got radio, media, trip, phone and more here. So we'll just click on phone, see what happens there. And now you've got settings in the corner. Touch settings, you've got add device, paired audio and Barry's iPhone. So I've deleted it from my phone, so we'll just see if I click on that, connect device, delete device, delete device. Delete Barry's iPhone 10 from phone and audio, yes. So that's it gone. Nice simple system to use.